If you stopped working today, would your money keep coming in or stop completely? That single question can change your financial life forever. Most people are trapped in a cycle where money only comes in if they work. That's not financial freedom, that's total dependence. To break free from that cycle, you first need to understand the difference between assets and liabilities. It's simple but transforms your view of money. An asset is anything that puts money in your pocket each month, even while you sleep. It doesn't require your constant effort. A liability is the opposite. It takes money out of your pocket, month after month, even if it seems valuable or elegant. Many people believe their home is an asset. But if you have to pay for it every month and it doesn't generate income, it's a liability. Buying a brand new car might seem like a good investment, but if it doesn't make money, it's another liability draining your finances. An asset could be a rental apartment, dividend-paying stocks, or even a monetized YouTube channel. The key is not how much you earn, but how many assets you have working for you every day. You can earn a lot of money and still be poor if you spend it all on liabilities. The rich buy assets. The poor buy liabilities thinking they're assets. Every time you receive money, ask yourself if you'll multiply it or just spend it. Money isn't about showing off, it's about building. An expensive watch may look powerful, but it doesn't give you freedom. It's just appearance. Investing in knowledge is one of the most powerful assets. If you learn how to make money work for you, you'll no longer depend solely on your physical effort. Most people aren't in debt because they earn too little, but because they constantly buy liabilities. If every purchase forces you to work more, you're not buying freedom, you're buying slavery. Before spending, think, does this bring me closer to freedom or farther away? It's not wrong to enjoy money, but you must first build a solid foundation of assets. The problem isn't having liabilities, but having only liabilities and no assets. Imagine each asset as a worker who pays you monthly, without asking for a break. Your goal should be to surround yourself with assets that generate more income than your monthly expenses. When your assets cover your expenses, you reach true financial freedom. You no longer need a boss or fear losing your job. You can travel, rest, or start new projects without worrying about income. That's not a dream. It's a real goal if you understand and apply this key difference. Many are already doing it. Not because they're lucky, but because they apply this principle. While you buy things that shine, they buy assets that grow. You're one decision away from starting your path to financial independence. It all begins with one question. What are you buying with your money? If everything you buy brings you closer to bankruptcy, it's time to change your strategy. Look at your last 5 big expenses. How many are assets? Advertising teaches us to buy liabilities and see them as symbols of success. Huge houses, luxury cars, brand-name clothing. None of that gives you monthly income. Passive income is smart income. A vending machine at a school can be a real asset. Publishing a digital book that sells every month is an asset. A channel that monetizes with every view is also an asset. You don't need to be a millionaire to start buying assets. With every small investment, you build your financial freedom. There are people who, with few resources, bought cheap land and now live off its rent. How many assets do you have today that generate money without your direct work? If your answer is 0, you're on a path that doesn't lead to freedom. But that can change today. You just need a new way to see money and make better decisions. If you stop working today and your income stops, you're in a fragile situation. You can't depend only on your time and body to generate money. The body gets tired, time runs out, but assets work forever. Imagine having 10 small assets that give you $50 each per month. That would be $500 monthly without direct work. And that's just the beginning. Over time, those assets can grow, multiply, and give you more. While others get into debt, you're building independence. Next time you receive money, buy an asset first. Then think about spending. Prioritize purchases that give you returns, not just temporary satisfaction. An asset mindset builds silent wealth. It's not flashy, but it's powerful. True wealth isn't seen, it's felt in daily freedom. If you depend on a paycheck, you're not financially free. Assets don't fire you, don't get sick, don't take breaks. They work silently for you. That's the difference between someone who works for money and someone who makes money work for them. Do you have to wake up early to earn money? You're trapped. But if money comes in while you sleep, you're free. Successful people think about assets before luxuries. They seek to plant trees that bear fruit each month. A well-structured business is a valuable asset. A rental property is too. Even an idea can be an asset if it generates recurring income. Applied knowledge can produce income for decades. An online course recorded once can sell for years. A book can generate royalties for life. While others look to spend, you must look to build. Money spent on unnecessary things never returns. But money invested in an asset can multiply. All millionaires understand this difference. Not all were born rich, but they learned how to build wealth. And the first step was to stop buying disguised liabilities. A vacation home isn't an asset if it doesn't get rented. A sports car isn't an asset if you only use it on Sundays. A liability may seem exciting, but it doesn't pay your bills. An asset may seem boring, but it changes your life. You don't need to earn more, you need to buy better. You don't need luck, you need strategy. Every asset you acquire reduces your dependence on work. Every liability you buy increases it. Accumulating assets is a game of intelligence, not appearance. You can live well today, but if you don't think about tomorrow, you'll lose everything. Many fall into the trap of appearing rich instead of being free. They buy what they don't need with money they don't have to impress people they don't care about. An asset doesn't need social validation, it just needs to work. If you're not sure if something is an asset or a liability, look at its effect on your finances. It gives you money or it takes it away. That's simple. Every asset is a seed. The more you plant, the more freedom you'll harvest. There are no shortcuts, but there are smarter paths. A financially educated mind builds assets no matter the income. It doesn't matter how much you earn, but how you use what you have. A worker who earns little but buys assets can surpass a professional who only spends. The wealth mindset begins by understanding this truth. Buying assets isn't just for entrepreneurs, it's for everyone. If you can save for a phone, you can save for an investment. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about prioritizing. First sow, then enjoy. The mistake is enjoying before having the harvest. Life isn't a race to spend, it's a journey to freedom. Money is a tool, not a trophy. Use it to build, not to show off. Make every financial decision add to your freedom. Evaluate every purchase as an investment or a distraction. Choose the long path that gives lasting results. The easy and quick is almost always a trap. The slow but steady builds real wealth. An asset can change your life more than 1,000 liabilities. But only if you choose it wisely. There are assets around you waiting to be seen. There are opportunities that only need a decision. No one will build your freedom for you. Start today, step by step, asset by asset. It doesn't matter if you start small, what matters is that you start. Stop thinking big for later, and start small now. A small asset today can become great income tomorrow. Don't underestimate the power of compound interest. Each asset adds to your independence. It's not about quantity, but direction. Don't buy status, buy time. Don't buy debt, buy freedom. The one with assets doesn't fear the future. The one with only liabilities lives in uncertainty. Financial freedom isn't inherited, it's built. No one will give it to you. But no one can take it once you build it. Every asset you own is a silent victory. You don't need recognition, you need results. If your money works more than you do, you're on the right path. If you work more than your money, you need to change. This is a race against time. A day will come when your body can't go on. And on that day, your assets will speak for you. You'll be free or a slave to your decisions. Today you can choose what your future will be. No one else can do it for you. Act now, not tomorrow. Buy fewer liabilities, build more assets. Stop chasing instant pleasure and start building lasting freedom. Your most important asset is your mindset. If you think like the rich, you'll act like the rich. If you think like a slave, you'll spend like a slave. Your mind is the root of your freedom. Water that root with knowledge. Feed it with constant action. Protect it from bad decisions. Care for it like you care for your life. Because your freedom depends on it. There are no excuses. There's no time to waste. There's a new path in front of you. And it starts with a single choice. Will you build assets or keep buying liabilities? The decision is yours. The time is now. The price is effort, the reward is freedom. Subscribe so you can learn how to change your mind and your money to build wealth.